dress, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me.
Hey y'all, I hope you guys can really hear me. Oh shit, she definitely like ran all over that fucking curb. But I hope you guys can hear me really good with my mic, because I got my mic on and this might be my first time using my mic to its full capacity basically. And today I'm going to the Miles Club run, but you know we not about to be doing no running. It was raining, but it stopped raining, so my co-workers was like, okay, we gonna do this. So here I am walking up here to do this Miles Run Club thing. And from the Instagram videos, child, it be lit. So I gotta pee so bad though. That's what I really gotta do. So yeah, this is my my little outfitty fit. So yeah, I think he says a lot of people up here already. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what this thing is about, okay?
Ballin' is mall for my brothers. 4-yard bag, tote the cutter. I got it out the field, fuck Russell. Going as L'Oreal back to Paddock, then going as Jordan as dead. Philippe water trying to drown a bitch. Just a habit tricking on a bitch. Shit, I'm thinking I could been a pimp. Shit, I'm cooking up dope like it's dinner. Shit, that curse was gon' sit nigga trip. Watching photographers and videographers. And if you parked across the street, stop it. We tell y'all to stop doing that every single week. There is a parking garage at Camp North End and it's free for the first 3 hours. If your car is across the street, please bring it back this way. Once again, if you are parked in the Family Dollar, yeah, well, I'm mad at y'all. Can y'all not hear me?
Act like we doing something.
Watch the middle, keep your hands up.
I said we gotta act like we doing something.
Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on right, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on nice, getting the best of me.
Okay, skin is skinny, baby.
Exhale, open wide. Inhale, reach. Exhale, get it wide. Reach it up. Left hand comes to your left hip, right hand. Inhale up, exhale, hit you over. Keep your core nice and tight. Breathe. back up to the side. Exhale, hands come forward. Left hand keep going. Twist. Keep turning it over. Towards me. So tight. Both arms reach. Inhale. Exhale, hands come forward. Right hand left. Right. Right. We're going to get into that double slug again. Double left. Hands come here, bend your knees, roll it up, step your feet together. Find a focal point you can. You stay here, maybe into the arms.
Come on, baby, your touch. It's every part. What you got? What you got? Is it all over? Work it out. Body roll, body roll, body roll, body roll. Take a body. Hey, come on. Okay. Once again, make sure y'all grab that tickets for anniversary week. Yeah. A little bit. Yeah. Hey, come on. Stop. Hey, 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 hey. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's the only one I know. All right, y'all, so I am getting ready to head up out of here now. This was actually pretty fun. We did 2 miles. No, I didn't really do a lot of running. I did more so walking, but it's okay because I still did 2 miles. Your girl did 2 miles. That's the only thing that matters, okay? I think this event is like from 6 to 11, so child, they about to be out here all night doing line dances. I ain't know none of them line dances. Like, I don't know none of them line dances. I was like, dang, I want to get out here and dance with them, but I don't know none of these doggone 2 steps right here, baby. Let me brush up my skills, okay? But overall, this was really fun. There's actually a freaking daiquiri slushy place across the freaking street from here, and I saw it on Instagram, so I think I want to check that out. Not really, because it's like nightlife vibe, but this place called Dirty Birds Chicken is across the street as well, and so I think I might actually go check that out because I'm hungry and I really do want to see what they got over there to eat, because baby, I saw the menu and the menu was saying something about honey hot and lemon pepper, and you know those my go-to, baby, so I'm gonna have to go check that out real quick. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Did y'all see my outfit like that? This is my outfit. It's a little one piece. Yeah, you can't really see it too much. I guess I should like stop some. I got it from Target. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you're in Charlotte and you want to get lit on a Tuesday, come out to Miles Club, baby, okay? Bye. Okay, so I decided to go to this wing spot over here. I think it's called Dirty Birds. But y'all, the parking lot is packed over here. It's like a lot of people over here with like racing cars, if that makes sense. And they like revving their engines up and doing burnouts and shit in the damn parking lot. And I'm like, I'm low-key kind of scared to leave my vehicle outside while I'm going to go order this food. But I'm hungry, so yeah, let me go real quick. All right, y'all, so I am finally home. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna show y'all my plate real quick again. We about to eat because your girl is tired and I'm hungry. Okay, so this is my food. I got honey hot with lemon peppers, some mac and cheese, and some cornbread right there. So we about to see how this is gonna taste. I always smell my food. I don't know why I do that. We're gonna taste this mac and cheese first. She said it was busting, so we're about to see. Okay. Not bad. This is good. Oh, baby. The macaroni and cheese is slaps. Okay? Slaps. Give me a little flat wing. I got 10-piece wings, macaroni and cheese, and cornbread, and it was $19.99. I think they charge extra for all flats, but we're about to see what it's do. They hot. Yeah, this is good. Baby, this is good. It's not super duper hot. It's got like a little kick to it. But it's good. I don't know if because I'm hungry or what. This is good. Oh yeah, I like this place. Dirty Bird Chicken. We got on something. Now let me try this cornbread. I don't know. It's definitely soft. It's different. I don't know. I think I still give it a 9 out of 10. The cornbread texture, it's super duper soft. It's almost like a spongy type of texture, so I ain't really used to that. It's not dry at all. I mean, I think it tastes good, but everything else slap for real. I don't like the price like that. 10 wings, but I guess the side and the cornbread make up for the other part of the money. But baby, this is good. I know I gave it a 9 out of 10, but 10 out of 10 recommend. I recommend. I'll definitely go back and eat this. It's good.
I'm so fucking happy you're